Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Past simple. Verb to be. Interrogative sentences. Was, were. Questions and answers.
Se usa was para los pronombres I, he, she y te. Para los demás casos, se usa get.
Structure. Verb to be. Plus. Subject. Plus. Complement. Plus. Closing question mark. Examples. Where was she yesterday?
Where was she yesterday?
Where was she yesterday?
She was at home.
She was at home.
She was at home.
Was the weather nice in the morning?
Was the weather nice in the morning?
Was the weather nice in the morning?
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Was this laptop very expensive?
Was this laptop very expensive?
Was this laptop very expensive?
No, it wasn't.
No, it wasn't.
No, it wasn't.
Why were you late this morning?
Why were you late this morning?
Why were you late this morning?
Because I woke up late.
Because I woke up late.
Because I woke up late.
Were they at the party?
Were they at the party?
Were they at the party?
Yes, they were.
Yes, they were.
Yes, they were.
Was he awake in the midnight?
Was he awake in the midnight?
Was he awake in the midnight?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Were they at the museum last week?
Were they at the museum last week?
Were they at the museum last week?
Yes, they were.
Yes, they were.
Yes, they were.
Were you in the mountains last year?
Were you in the mountains last year?
Were you in the mountains last year?
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Was the party amazing?
Was the party amazing?
Was the party amazing?
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Were we happy?
Were we happy?
Were we happy?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Was she a gymnast?
Was she a gymnast?
Was she a gymnast?
Yes, she was a super gymnast.
Yes, she was a super gymnast.
Yes, she was a super gymnast.
Was he with his girlfriend last night?
Was he with his girlfriend last night?
Was he with his girlfriend last night?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Were you tired after work?
Were you tired after work?
Were you tired after work?
Yes, very tired.
Yes, very tired.
Yes, tired.
Was I a good daughter?
Was I a good daughter?
Was I a good daughter?
Of course, you were the best.
Of course, you were the best.
Of course, you were the best.
Why weren't you here yesterday?
Why weren't you here yesterday?
Why weren't you here yesterday?
Because I was at work.
Because I was at work.
Because I was at work.
Was that hotel expensive?
Was that hotel expensive?
Was that hotel expensive?
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Were you naughty?
Were you naughty?
Were you naughty?
No, I was very calm.
No, I was very calm.
No, I was very calm.
Were you hungry during the trip?
Were you hungry during the trip?
Were you hungry during the trip?
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Were they here last Sunday?
Were they here last Sunday?
Were they here last Sunday?
No, they were on a trip.
No, they were on a trip.
No, they were on a trip.
Was he an engineer?
Was he an engineer?
Was he an engineer?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Was your horse in the stable?
Was your horse in the stable?
Was your horse in the stable?
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Were you worried?
Were you worried?
Were you worried?
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
Where was she last month?
Where was she last month?
Where was she last month?
She was in Japan.
She was in Japan.
She was in Japan.
Was he sick yesterday?
Was he sick yesterday?
Was he sick yesterday?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Was the weather nice last Monday?
Was the weather nice last Monday?
Was the weather nice last Monday?
No, it was terrible.
No, it was terrible.
No, it was terrible.
Were you late yesterday?
Were you late yesterday?
Were you late yesterday?
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Were you asleep when I arrived?
Were you asleep when I arrived?
Were you asleep when I arrived?
No, I wasn't.
No, I wasn't.
No, I wasn't.
Was she wrong?
Was she wrong?
Was she wrong?
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Was it windy yesterday?
Was it windy yesterday?
Was it windy yesterday?
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Why wasn't she here?
Why wasn't she here?
Why wasn't she here?
Because she was at work.
Because she was at work.
Because she was at work.
Were you happy in your childhood?
Were you happy in your childhood?
Were you happy in your childhood?
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Were you away on the weekend?
Were you away on the weekend?
Were you away on the weekend?
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Was he at home when I called him?
Was he at home when I called him?
Was he at home when I called him?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Weren't you 21 years old?
Weren't you 21 years old?
Weren't you 21 years old?
No, I wasn't. I was 22.
No, I wasn't. I was 22.
No, I wasn't. I was 22.
Was she at the supermarket?
Was she at the supermarket?
Was she at the supermarket?
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Where was he?
Where was he?
Where was he?
He was in college.
He was in college.
He was in college.
When was he at the museum?
When was he at the museum?
When was he at the museum?
Last Monday.
Last Monday.
Last Monday.
Why wasn't she at the restaurant?
Why wasn't she at the restaurant?
Why wasn't she at the restaurant?
Because she was at work.
Because she was at work.
Because she was at work.
Were you away for Christmas?
Were you away for Christmas?
Were you away for Christmas?
No, I was at home.
No, I was at home.
No, I was at home.
Were you with your brothers at home?
Were you with your brothers at home?
Were you with your brothers at home?
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Was your friend very pretty?
Was your friend very pretty?
Was your friend very pretty?
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Were you in Ecuador last spring?
Were you in Ecuador last spring?
Were you in Ecuador last spring?
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Was he at work in the morning?
Was he at work in the morning?
Was he at work in the morning?
No, he was at home.
No, he was at home.
No, he was at home.
Were you a bit scared?
Were you a bit scared?
Were you a bit scared?
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Yes, I was.
Was he interested in science?
Was he interested in science?
Was he interested in science?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
Was she a painter?
Was she a painter?
Was she a painter?
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Was the hotel expensive?
Was the hotel expensive?
Was the hotel expensive?
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
Was she famous?
Was she famous?
Was she famous?
Yes, she was a great artist.
Yes, she was a great artist.
Yes, she was a great artist.
Wasn't that street dangerous?
Wasn't that street dangerous?
Wasn't that street dangerous?
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Was she a ballet dancer?
Was she a ballet dancer?
Was she a ballet dancer?
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Yes, she was.
Thanks.
For watching.